Also, guys, and it's not often that a plan plays out perfectly as this one, right? You guys that followed my channel for a while will know we are using the Ichimoku trading strategy, and you can find out exactly how to do this strategy in the description. Just go down to trading tutorials, basically pretty much every tutorial that you could have ever wanted, I've made one for. And we've seen that since the breakout, right, I didn't personally believe that we confirmed this breakout, right? We broke out back in June 19th, okay, June 19th, June 20th, 21st, right, that 3-day range. And you can see, we go boom, 19th, 20th, 21st, right? We don't really confirm that breakout. Even on the next day, we don't really confirm it, not on the daily, right? So what that meant to me was that meant that we would end up coming back down, right? We'd have to come back down and lose momentum somewhere. Not only that, if we look in the longer term of things, actually, let me pull this to the weekly. You guys will already know, we had this big cloud here, and we hit the final point. If you can hear the noise there, that's the cicadas. I'm in Thailand, so all types of different animals and stuff going on. But you can see that that cloud showed us a few different things, right? We hit that 31K point. If we broke that, it would have meant that we would have hit one of those old school BTC 50% pullbacks, but we didn't. We actually rejected this specific point here. And that confirmed to me that on the short term, we are gonna come down a bit, right? On the long term, you can see we're bullish here. We had the two crosses here. We're gonna go very bullish. But on the short term, we were gonna come down. And where's the next stop? Well, we have been waiting a long time, precisely almost a month, right? Almost 30 days, waiting for this pullback to 28K, 28,300, right? However, because it's took so long, the cloud has started to get much thinner, right? Which is dangerous, because if the cloud does cross, you guys can see on the longer term time frame, we haven't had a cross since March, right? We haven't had a cross since, February, right? And before that was a major bearish cross for the whole entire bear market. Like, if we simply just look for the last point that we crossed on the daily, well, you know, that isn't until December, right? December 2021. So a cross to the bearish side is not good for Bitcoin. However, because we are coming after having a short amount of momentum, we could see something like this. We could see a short-term cross into the red, right? And then we bring it straight back into the green, leading into BTC halving. This does play out to our longer-term theory, waiting for the 4th of March 2024, which is BTC halving. So everything is pretty much playing out precisely as we've been talking about, leading into the fact that, you know, nothing crazy is going to go on. This is the mid-cap time. This is the time to be making money online, investing the profits into crypto. So short-term wise, it's very simple. We're looking for the pullback to hit this 28,300 range. If we do break this, then that will mean that there will be a cross here, and then we'll be looking for the bottom around about 25,300. I don't think we go down and we see lower lows. We're trading pretty well, you know, bottom, higher high, higher low again. Higher low. Again, we did break that. We did set in a higher high. We'll still set in a higher low here if we hit the 200 EMA, plays out. You know, we go here, probably hit the bottom of this range. Still plays out, no problem. That's going to play out for the cross into the red. Red will go green. Everything's playing out pretty damn good, guys. I'm very excited and happy that things are playing out. So if you are keeping up with this channel, you are staying up to date with some good Bitcoin advice. I didn't show no crazy stuff to you guys when Bitcoin was bullish. I didn't show and tell you guys that we're going straight to 100K. I kept it 100% real with you guys. So if you do appreciate that, please like this video, share this with a friend, and I'll be dropping a video later on today, around about 11 o'clock Thailand time, which will be about 6 p.m. UK time. And that will be going through how you can become a 1% man. And if you do want to learn how to make more money online, then simply check out the link in the description. You can join the Side Hustle Club, where I will show you exactly how to make more money completely for free. I want to help you guys to invest more money into crypto. And to do that, you need to have a business. all of the best investors generate cash flow through a business, and that gives them the money to then go and invest, right? There are not many investors that didn't have a business, didn't have nothing going for them, had a 9 to 5 making £300 a week and managed to become a multi-millionaire. The odds of that are very, very low. However, if you do make more money, right, using the side hustles I can provide here, then you can use that profit to invest into crypto, and I'll show you guys completely for free. We've got live calls coming in every so often. We've also got affiliate communities there and crypto communities there as well to learn how to trade crypto. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much actually. I do appreciate you guys tuning in, and to all the new subscribers, thank you for coming. You guys can clearly see this is the best channel to be following right now, and I will see you in the next one.